Hi guys, it's Sandsland. Today we are gonna be, you know what, it's requested a lot on people's channels, and yeah, so I'll tell you in a few seconds. Yes, it's the bottle flip challenge. Just think of flipping a glass bottle like this, or thinking this, flipping a water bottle like this. That was terrible. We're going to be doing attempts. Yes, I said attempts. To try to do this. I am attempting. I have never been a champion of water bottle flipping. I maybe need to drink a little bit more. You think that's good enough? No, I don't think. Oh, that almost made it. Okay. Attempt 1. Okay. Attempt 1. Let's do this. I don't think this is gonna work. Oh my god. No. Okay, I'm moving the table. Okay. This might not go as planned, but let's do it. I'm gonna be doing a lot of attempts because I cannot water bottle flip. It didn't make it. Okay, that was an attempt 1, because god, that was so freaking bad. Okay. That was attempt 1. Yeah. Attempt 1, 2. Sorry, I get these attempts mixed up. I'm nervous because today at school it was freaky. It was really freaky. I'm just like those other kids out there who are like 14 or 13 or 12 or 15 that have YouTube channels. I'm just like one of them people that are still in school, like middle school or high school or stuff like forget that. Okay, attempt 3. Let's do this. Attempt 2. Sorry. 3. I messed that up. It's 3. I'm sorry that's blurry right here. It's because my phone's cracked right there. Yes, I am recording on a phone. But it'll be better soon. I'll try to get a GoPro for Christmas. Yeah, that'd be a dream if I got it for Christmas, and if I got an SD card with that, because my brother didn't, and he got a GoPro for Christmas last year. Well, that's cool. Okay, let's just move on with attempt 3. 3. Attempt 4. 4, babies. Okay. I hope this makes it. It's probably not going to. Okay. I suck at this. I need to suck a wiener. I'm just kidding. I don't need to. Okay, let's move on to attempt 5. Oh. Okay. Attempt 5. Get a good shake in it.
5.
Okay. Okay, I was just telling somebody to shush. They're talking, which I'm doing a video. She did a video a few seconds ago. She's not my girlfriend. She's my sister. Don't you dare think that. I don't even have one yet. Well, yeah, I do. Okay. What was that? Crunch the bottom. Crunch it. Ow. Did you hear something?
There's like a big foot.
I don't know what that was, but let's go check it out. Okay. Let's go check it out. Okay. I don't even know what that was. Do you hear it? What is that? Can't see me good. I'm just gonna go in the light. Like what was that? I guess bottle flipping is bad.
It's not 3 a.m.
Yeah, it's tell them it's not 3 a.m.
It's not 3 a.m. It is something else. I don't know.
Yeah, let me check what time it is. It's 6:53. How in the heck does he even do that? You can see the cracks on my screen. Right there. They're like on the side of it. Okay, let's go look for whatever did that noise. Here, let's look outside first.
Zooming it again.
I know. Let's look outside. Don't see anything outside yet. Watch out. They'll almost hit you. Nothing bad already.
Yeah, there's no person.
Oh God! Oh my God! That ball's just sitting there. Y'all don't see it? The ball's just sitting there. Y'all not see it? The ball is right there. Sorry, my big finger is covering it up. But yeah, look, I'll show you. I'll get you a close up. Like, look, it's just sitting in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna go check inside. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back inside with my sister. I don't know why she followed me in here. Well, I followed her because I'm right behind her. Well, now she's behind me. Oh, you got a squash. You got a squash. You got a squash. Yeah, there's a gnat on it. Okay, let's go check in my mom's room because there is paranormal activity going on there. I mean, she saw the remote move. And that wasn't her. Nobody else was home except for me. I was asleep. My sister, she was in the couch, the living room. She was on the couch. And let's just go check. We're in here. My mom's room is cool. She's got Michael Jackson and other things. She got
this.
Hot Wheels, Star Wars. She's got Chicago Girl. She's got a lot of stuff. That light. Oh my God. Okay, you're welcome for that light viewage. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God, it's still there. Okay. Yeah, I don't see anything paranormal here anymore. Okay, let's just go back to water bottle flipping. It's attempt 6. Don't you even dare.
Can I tell them?
Just sit back.
Can
I'll
I
tell them.
after the video?
I'll tell them now. Okay, this is attempt 6, but pick that up. Okay,
No,
but we're doing 3 a.m. challenge either this weekend. Yeah, we'll do it this weekend on Friday because I have school all this week, except for on Saturday, Sunday, and Friday. But yeah, I would have done it yesterday because we didn't have school yesterday, but I didn't even think about it. And I have a fidget spinner, which I will fidget on that day. It's going to be so scary. Okay, let's do the last one, attempt 6, and then I'll see you later.
Guys, just
Yes.
so you know, you need to search up guava juice or raw wasabi on YouTube, and you watch his 3 a.m. videos. It's really good.
Yeah, he does a lot. He does like 4 a day, I guess. No, because
Just 2 days.
no, he does 1 a day. Yeah, because there's only 1 3 a.m. thing. Okay, his last attempt, and then we're done. And I'll see you after in the next video. Okay. Hope this makes it. No! Y'all didn't see it, but it didn't. It didn't flip. Here. We'll do another one. Okay, attempt 7. 7. Stuff it. Okay. Okay, stop. Okay, hope this makes it. I'll get in the camera view so I can see it. That hit the camera. Okay. Bye, guys. I'll see y'all later in the next video. Goodbye.